Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for work at Chick-Fil-A. So today is the day after Christmas. It is Saturday. It is like, what time is it? 8:31 in the morning. I don't know why I'm up because I set alarms for 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, but apparently my body wanted to wake up a little bit earlier today, but it's okay. I hope y'all had a great Christmas. I don't really feel Christmas spirit anymore. I haven't for a while, but you know, I love Christmas time either way. I just haven't felt that, you know, joy, like, oh, it's Christmas. Like, I haven't felt that in a long time, but I hope y'all did. I'm gonna show y'all a few things that I got for Christmas. I don't want to make a separate video of it because it will be really quick because I didn't really ask for much, but I'm so happy with the stuff I got. I got me some coffee because y'all haven't had coffee in like 3 days, which is good for me because I drink coffee every morning, but I just haven't had a taste for it in a while. So the first thing I got was an office chair. I'm gonna just put in a little clip in the video because I don't feel like getting up and showing y'all. I got a dresser from IKEA. I haven't built it yet. It's still in the box, but I'll put a picture of what it looks like too because I need a new dresser. Okay, I got this. I don't really know what to call it, like a Sherpa, I guess. And I got some shirts from Louis 21, and I got these shoes. These are Air Max, I think 97. They're so cute. They're black. These are gonna go with literally almost everything. I needed some all black shoes anyway, but these are just so cute to me, and I honestly was scared that they weren't gonna fit because I have a wide foot. So I thought they weren't gonna fit, but they do. And then I got a new iPad. This is the iPad 8th generation, and I love it. Like, it's so nice. I needed a new one because I had an iPad, but it was just old. Like, it didn't work with a lot of the new stuff that Apple has come out with. The home button didn't work, the screen was lifting, the battery sucked. Literally, I had to be on the charger all day or it would die like this. So I just needed a new one. And I got the Apple Pencil with it, which is exciting. I like this thing. And I got money. And yeah, that's really it, I think. I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't really know. Okay, haul over. Let's get back to what this video is supposed to be about. Okay, so one of the first things that I like to do, like, you know, in the morning is just package my purse. Not even package, oh my god. Just put everything in my purse that needs to go in there because I do not want to forget anything. All right, guys, so it is like 9:30 right now, and I'm about to start getting ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush my teeth and wash my face. Okay, so I just got water in my ear. So that's fun. That has never happened to me before. Like, oh my god. But I'm about to get in the shower right now. And yeah. Alright, so it's currently 9:45 and I am out of the shower. Let's do a little thumbnail. So I'm out of the shower. It's 9:45 and y'all, it's gonna be so cold today and I'm not ready for, but let me look at the weather. It says it is 43 degrees outside. Yay. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just, you know, use a little cotton pad, some witch hazel to make sure my face is clean. I need some music or something because this is not it. So to moisturize my face, I like to use this Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I got this from Walmart. And that's honestly been helping, but the only thing is, like, I cannot only use this. Like, I will only use this in the summertime, but like this stuff, I feel like as soon as I put it on my face is dry like 2.5 seconds later, and then it's not for it. So then to, like, you know, actually have a moisturized face, I use this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So for me to moisturize my lips, I'm hungry. I didn't eat no breakfast. I wasn't planning on eating breakfast, but I don't know, my stomach is telling me to eat something. But I'm about to use some Carmex. Even though I have my mask on, you still don't want no dry lips. My lips are getting dry out in that cold air. I don't keep this with me. I keep another lip balm, chapstick, whatever with me, but this one I like to use when I'm in the house. I should keep this one on me because it's better. I just don't like how it smells, and I don't want other people to smell this. This smells very medicated. So yeah, no. So now what I'm gonna do is moisturize my body and put some clothes on. Well, it's early. It's only 9:49. What should I do? Because I don't want to be ready like right now. I think I'm gonna make me something to eat. Well, not make me something to eat. I don't really want nothing. I don't really have time to cook anything. I could get something at work, but I don't want to spend no money on no food. Like, what should I do? Okay, so I'm just gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm gonna have to leave early, so I'm actually gonna, you know, get dressed now. So I'm gonna show you what I use because it changed from the summertime. In the summertime, I used to use something like really light because I used to literally sweat off my lotion, and I'm just like, this is not it. So some things that I like to use now, I like to use this Cocoa Shea Nourishing Lotion. Now y'all, this little trick I've been doing since I was a kid. Like, my grandma used to use this stuff on me. Shea butter. I put some shea butter on, then I'll put this on. It would usually be like the Cetaphil lotion that's in a a container, but I got this, and that's how I keep my skin moisturized in this cold weather. So I'm just gonna, you know, put my clothes on now. Okay, so I am dressed for work. I'm not gonna put my name tag on. I don't really need to have it on for real because I'll be wearing my coat all day that I got from Chick-Fil-A, and it has my name like engraved on it or stitched in it. I don't really have to wear it, but I'm gonna still wear it just in case I take it off. So now what I'm about to do is do my hair, and then after I do my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'm gonna show you what I use on my hair, and I also used this. I forgot to mention, but this is the deodorant that I use when I go to work because it's been many times where I get deodorant stains on my shirt, and it's not fun because, yeah. But for my hair, I use Cantu. I use water, and it's like the mist one, which is really cool. And I use Eco Style. This is the only gel that works for my hair. This is my favorite one, the one with the red top, the argan oil one. A brush and a pick, and then I might use a little bit of this. I don't really have any more, but this is like one of the best edge boosters, like edge controls, the edge booster one. The brush I use, y'all should really get y'all one of these. It's the Conair brush, and I like it because it's been so many times where I get powder brushes and literally like the brush part will come out and I'm just left with the like handle, and I was just like, no, I'm tired of this happening. So I just got one of these, and it's the best thing that happened to me. So yeah, I'm about to do my hair. Okay, so I'm done with my hair, and that was a very much trust the process type situation, but it's okay. So now what I'm about to do is my makeup, and I put this scarf on because so my hair can lay down, so it won't be like frizzy. So my makeup for work is very much simple. Mind you, I have a mask on all day. So I'm done getting ready, The perfume that I always wear to work is more vanilla sugar because it's not like too strong, but I do spray a lot on so it can like last all day. And it do like last all day for the most part. And then this is the coat that I wear to work. We get them from work. I should bring some gloves, y'all. My hands were freezing. I have some gloves. I should bring some. These are the ones I have right here. I got them from Old Navy. It's not it. It is hot right now. Okay. This is what I've been looking like. Okay. Let me take this scarf off. Fix my hair. This coat make a lot of sound. Well, let me spray some on my jacket. Okay, that's too much. All right, so that's how I get ready for work. Pretty much extra, but it's fine. But I'm about to go to Dunkin' Donuts and I'm gonna take y'all with me, period. So yeah. So I'm leaving the house now. Getting in the car. I feel like you're driving the Grwm because my phone is right here. What are your phone in? That's what they got even recycle out. The recycle on the street only. No sign. Do you have the arrow? I was like, no, I told you got the car. You're bugging. Okay, so I'm at Dunkin' Donuts right now. In our video. It's a get ready with me.